Hey guys, if you could not register for the fxcoinbot, there's new 5 brokers now out for the fxcoinbot. You can now register for it if you want to. 250 minimum deposit as always, and let's get on to the video. Hey guys, what's up builders at toptradingreviews.com. Today is the 21st of August 2019. Let's get started. So don't mind the balloons, it was my birthday a couple of days ago and another celebration I won't mention. Anyway, fxcoinbot, let's have a look. NZD/USD, very nice trade, 82% probability, 37 pips take profit, SL 18 pips. Let me just show you the broker Globalix. So as you can see over here, this is my live account. The equity is £3,476 at the moment. I got GBP Swiss franc, which is £224 in profit, and GBP USD, which is minus £68 in profit. It was profitable maybe a couple of hours ago. The reason I placed these two trades because the correlation of it was very high, you know, like 97%. So my thinking was, if I place GBP Swiss franc trade, GBP USD will follow and will make double the money. However, this is not what happened, and unfortunately it's going in the wrong direction at the moment, but hopefully the correlation picks up again and I'll be profiting again. I actually made a time-lapse video of the GBP Swiss franc trade and GBP USD, of them, you know, going about and, you know, making profit. From the time I clicked trade, you know, and it was in the minus till it was like 200 or 400 pound in profit. This one was like 250 I think, and this one was like 120. So let me just show you that now. Right guys, hope you enjoyed it. I did speed it up as much as I could, you know, so if this is kind of long, I'm sorry. Anyway, let's move on and trade with the fxcoinbot. Right, NZD/USD, I do like this trade. As I said, 82% probability. NZD/USD remains below 100-hour EMA or MA, moving average. You can, you know, click over here, Forex Live. This is what the analysis says. You can read all about it. I like trading fundamentals. I read about news articles, you know, what's going on in the economy, and unfortunately the NZD/USD trade has now been expired. So honestly, I should have placed it. I really liked it. However, we are seeing another trade. The probability for it is 77% because the take profit is way bigger than before, you know, 126 pips and SL 72 pips. So we'll, you know, not trade that. You know, I don't really like trading big take profits and SLs. You know, SL 40, you know, is enough, but take profit, you know, above 100, it takes kind of a while, and I don't like, you know, keeping it because my broker Globalix actually, you know, charges quite a lot for the swap rate. So I want to, you know, close my trades within a couple of days time, or, you know, 24 hours. That's the ideal way. You know, sometimes I close them off before the swap rate happens. And if you don't know what the swap rate is, it's basically the broker charges you when you keep a trade going past, you know, 24 hours, and every 24 hours they give you, you know, another charge. So you have to be wary about that. And if you're in profit, you might, you know, want to, you know, close it off before you go to sleep, or in the morning before you wake up. You might want to, you know, close it off or keep it, you know, if there's some news events happening. Anyway, let's place a trade. Euro USD. Don't like trading Euro USD, and the take profit is kind of high, so maybe let's skip Euro USD and have a look at Euro JPY. This seems like a nice trade. Euro JPY, a buy signal apparently, so it's on the correlation at the moment, not really a buy signal at the moment. Let's have a look at the 4 hourly. Not much is happening, but probably if we just have a look in the monthly, it has been going now in a downtrend at the moment. So what we can do is just place this trade on the reverse trade. So if we just do GlobalX and do maybe 0.50 and place of a reverse trade, because there's that option as well. If you don't like, this signal, you can literally place a reverse trade, and there we go. Let's place it. So as you can see, everything's already set up on the Euro JPY pair, and all we need to do is just click invest. So the stop loss and take profit 19.39 lets making maybe 25 to 45 or something like that. We always want our take profit to be a little bit bigger than stop loss level because of the risk to reward ratio. We always want to gain more than we lose, and yeah, I like this trade. Let's click invest. Order successful. There we go. Euro JPY has now been placed. At the moment it's a sell trade, and as you can see, the spread difference is -15. Don't worry about that. It's always like that. Brokers always give us spread difference because that's their little advantage, over us, because they, we started a minus a little bit, and we're closer to our stop loss to get kicked out from the market. However, we do have the fxcoinbot, which is a powerful tool for signals. So if you want to join, you're more than welcome to. 250 minimum deposit. I suggest more for leverage. All the links are down in the description below. Let's trade and let's go to our dashboard. So as you can see over here, USD JPY, this could be a nice trade as well. Euro JPY, USD JPY also going up. Probability 77%. So what we can do is just do GlobalX. Let's do 50 and maybe click reverse trade again. I like, trading reverse. So as you can see, the reverse trade is now going. Everything's fine. USD JPY, it's a sell obviously because it's reversing, and stop loss, we don't want our stop loss to be 15 because it's gonna make it to a 9 pip stop loss, so we get kicked out from the market too quickly. That's why we want to maybe 25. I even suggest more, 35 to 40, if you're starting out especially, or maybe you work long hours and you don't have time to have a look at the fxcoinbot, so sometimes it depends on your personal situation. 25 stop loss I like. Let's do 40 just to average it out. 40 take profit, I like that. Invest, order successful. USD JPY, there we go. At the moment we have 4 trades open. Obviously the GBP Swiss franc one, which is amazing one. GBP USD, I'm gonna keep that going, because I believe the correlation is just gonna carry on, pick up eventually, and it's gonna be profitable because they were both profitable at one point, so I expect it to be profitable yet again. Euro JPY obviously -15 because of spread difference, and so is a USD JPY -12, which is a little bit better, but because of spread difference as well, it's in the minus. So let's go back to our dashboard and maybe place a couple of more trades. USD CAD, we can, AUD USD, I like AUD USD. So let's have a look at the chart, what's happening. Obviously nothing's happening. The markets are very uncertain past couple of weeks, so profit wise I'm not making as much as I should. I know it seems like I'm making a lot, but I am losing quite a bit of trades. I'm losing like I'll say 25%. Usually I get like 80% win success rate, and at the moment it's around 75, which is still good. Don't get me wrong, it's still very good. However, it can be better, trust me. Let's have a look in the weekly. So it has been going down weekly, and it is AUD USD. As you can see, if we just have a look at the weekly charts yet again, you can see this a little trend line. It has been going down, as you can see, bounce back here. It's in the it's probably gonna go back up a little bit eventually, and it's gonna go down, or it's been consolidating the past couple of days, or a couple of weeks I should say, and it's probably gonna have a massive break to the downside. We don't know that yet. However, AUD USD fxcoinbot is telling us it's a sell, so let's try that out. GlobalX, let's do 0.50, and if something doesn't work out, we can always close the trade off and trade some other trades, So AUD USD, let's trade. So as you can see, this is my AUD USD pair, 23 stop loss. So we want to increase that, maybe because the take profit is 77. So maybe we want to, make our stop loss a little bit bigger as well, 40. And maybe let's make our take profit 80 because we want to average it out. 77, it's kind of just an odd number, I should say. So that's pretty good. 40 to 80, 2-to-1 risk ratio, which is ideal. That's what we want. And let's click invest. AUD USD now has been successful. AUD USD, as you can see, we have 3 trades going to sell position, and the GBP pairs are going to buy position. Anyway, let's go back to our dashboard. I have 5 trades open, so you never want to over trade. Honestly, if you're new to trading, place at least, you know, 1 or 2 trades with a nice lot size like 0.10 or something, and it should be good and it should do good for you. Anyway, let's have a look. USD Swiss franc, this could be a nice trade. Euro GBP, no. Euro JPY, NZD USD, I do like this trade. NZD USD, as you can see, the past couple of days it's just been going on a steady downtrend. As you can see, since August 1st it's been going down, so it's probably gonna carry on going down. So the take profit is obviously 126, so we might have to, you know, change a little bit, but the signal has expired yet again. So I wouldn't have trade anyway. You know, the take profit was way too high. You know, maybe the take profit would be 60 or something and the SL would be 30. That would be like a okay trade because it would have 2-to-1 risk ratio. However, the signal has expired, we forget about it. Anyway, we have 5 trades open on the Global X. I think it's enough for me. It's late anyway. Honestly, I'm kind of trading outside the market hours, so there's not going to be much volatility until like 12 a.m. you know, after the JPY markets open and the Australian dollar markets open. That's going to push the markets a little bit, but for now, you know, it's not going to be much volatility, so we're not going to see a lot of action on these pairs at all. So I think I'm gonna end this video now. I hope you enjoyed it. As I said, if you want to join the fxcoinbot, you're more than welcome to. 250 minimum deposit. I suggest more for leverage. Oh, by the way, guys, the fxcoinbot has implemented a lot more brokers now, around, you know, 5 or 6 brokers. So if you could not register, you can definitely register now. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed my video. If you want to contact me, email me, you know, toptradingreviews@gmail.com. I read all my emails, you know, and I try to answer all my social media as well, so make sure to contact me if you don't understand something. And take care, guys. Have a nice day. Love you guys. Goodbye.